So students, we were studying rate law expression. I told you that rate law expression, rate law is a mathematical expression which gives the rate of reaction in terms of those species, concentration of those reactions which actually influence the rate. Now the coefficients in the rate law expression, that is x and y, they are called the order of reaction. Now here we are coming to order of reaction. So order of reaction is it is the sum of the powers or exponents to which the concentration terms are raised in the rate law expression. Sum of the powers means x plus y. That is the order of reaction. Sum of the powers or sum of the exponents to which the concentration terms are raised in the rate law expression. Means sum of the power in the rate law expression, that is called order of reaction. We can say that the order of reaction is x in terms of a with respect to a and y with respect to b, and overall order of reaction is x plus y. ऑलराइट, अब हमने ऑर्डर पढ़ा, मॉलिकुलैरिटी पढ़ा. मॉलिकुलैरिटी के बारे में एक चीज़ और जाननी ज़रूरी है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे रिएक्शंस हैं जिनकी मॉलिकुलैरिटी 3 और उससे ज़्यादा भी होती हैं. जैसे एक एग्जांपल मैं देती हूँ, 4HBr प्लस O2 गिविंग 2H2O प्लस 2Br2. ओके, तो यहाँ पे मॉलिकुलैरिटी इज़ 5. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Molecularity is 5. But is it possible that all the 5 species, 4 molecules of HBr and 1 molecule of O2, they all collide simultaneously at the same time from different directions to form the product? It is not possible. So the fact is that reactions of molecularity greater than 3 are not possible. Therefore, then writing the molecularity of overall molecularity of the reaction, that is 5, it is of no significance. क्योंकि ऐसे ये possible ही नहीं है कि एक साथ इतने सारे molecules आके collide करें, reaction हो. मैक्सिमम 3 स्पीशीज़ के बीच में तो कोलिजन हो सकती है, उससे ज़्यादा स्पीशीज़ के बीच में कोलिजन पॉसिबल नहीं है. तब फिर ऐसे रिएक्शंस कैसे प्रोसीड करेंगे? तो सच रिएक्शंस डू नॉट टेक प्लेस इन सिंगल स्टेप, rather they take place in a sequence of steps, and each step is an elementary step which involves the collision of 2 or 3 species only. So such reactions which proceed through a sequence of steps, which proceed through more than one steps, are called complex reactions. Complex reactions. Alright, so reactions of higher molecularity, normally they proceed by stepwise mechanism, and each step has a molecularity 2 or 3 maximum, and such reactions are called complex reactions. Alright, now we have got we have understood order of reaction, we have understood molecularity of reaction. अब order and molecularity में फ़र्क है. क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं ऑर्डर एंड मॉलिकुलरिटी में? लेट मी टेल यू. मॉलिकुलरिटी इज द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टिंग स्पीशीज विच simultaneously collide in order to give the product, whereas order is the sum of the powers of concentration terms in the rate law expression. ये तो डेफिनेशन एक हो गया दोनों का, दैट इज वन डिफरेंस. फिर मॉलिकुलरिटी इज अ थियोरेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट. मॉलिकुलरिटी के लिए हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, केवल बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन देखना है, एंड वी हैव टू एड अप ऑल द नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स. So it is a theoretical concept, but order has to be determined practically only, experimentally only. So order is an experimental concept. Molecularity can have only integral values. मॉलिकुलरिटी फ्रैक्शनल नहीं हो सकता है. मॉलिकुलरिटी 1 होगा, 2 होगा, 3 होगा, 4 होगा. बट ऑर्डर कैन बी फ्रैक्शनल ऑल्सो. ऑर्डर 0.5 भी हो सकता है, 2.5 भी हो सकता है. फिर मॉलिकुलरिटी कैन नॉट बी ज़ीरो. मॉलिकुलरिटी कभी ज़ीरो हो नहीं सकता, बट ऑर्डर कैन बी ज़ीरो ऑल्सो. Molecularity does not give us any idea about the mechanism of reaction. Does not give anything about the mechanism of reaction. But order tells us step by step the mechanism of reaction. Molecularity doesn't change with the change of temperature or pressure, but order changes with change of temperature and pressure. So these are the differences between molecularity and order.